Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Playing with Numbers. This is third question of its exercise 3.6. So the question says that HCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follows by factorization. 4 is equal to 2 into 2 and 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Since there is no common prime factor, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Is the answer correct? If not, what is the correct HCF? So, no, this is not the correct answer. Then correct answer हो जाएगा हमारे पास HCF of 4 and 15 is 1 because 4 हो जाएगा हमारे पास 1 into 2 into 2 and 15 हो जाएगा 1 into 3 into 5. So common हो जाएगा multiple या factor हमारे पास 1 because 0 is not the correct answer. Correct answer is HCF of 4 and 15 is 1. Thank you.